Across every industry, there are digital transformations taking place that will impact not just how your customers interact with your company, but how different parts of your company will interact with each other. DevOps is one of the best examples of this interaction. DevOps has the incredible responsibility of bringing applications to the marketplace that will define and sometimes differentiates your company from your competition. DevOps moves fast, and sometimes that speed can cause conflict with other parts of your organization that have processes that can be perceived as slow. One of those processes often lumped into the slow category is change management, which is a critical part of any application release path. A solid change management process gives operations teams a full visibility of what's being released into the environment, which in turn provides the service desk the information they need to quickly connect an incident to a change record when and if there is a service interruption. Coming back to the development team, they are delivering high-quality code at a rapid pace to meet the needs of your transforming business. At Boston Scientific, the constant need for developers to manually input tickets into the change management procedures impedes and slows down innovation, which can be frustrating and inefficient. At first glance, it seems as if there's no way to meet the needs of one without inhibiting the other. But when we integrate BMC's Remedy ITSM solution with the out-of-the-box integration with DevOps tools such as Jira, we get a solution that seamlessly and natively integrates with your continuous integration, continuous development tools to enable automated change ticket creation and management. This gives the operations teams the visibility and compliance information they need, and the development team gets the invisible out-of-the-way process they want. So how will this actually work? The development team will continue to use their same development methodology and toolsets as they always have. But to see the full impact of how development will interact with change management, let's take a moment to walk through a typical workflow using several common popular toolsets. In many enterprise environments, you will typically see a lot of manual processes required between developer and operations tools represented in the release and approval process. These manual entries and approvals ultimately slow down agile development and product or application enhancement releases. In this solutions example, we demonstrate how BMC Remedy ITSM brings traceability and visibility to the release process with the integration of Jira and Remedy to create a change request. In this workflow, we are leveraging Remedy to gather information from an existing issue in Jira in order for us to generate a Remedy change request for approval. We are also able to pull several planned changes, such as user stories, as well for deployment, and gathering that information from Jira with the Remedy ITSM solution. Once all the required information from Jira is gathered, next we are creating a change request in Remedy for the approval of these deployments. During this entire process, the integration automatically creates a change request without requiring developers to access operations tools for additional manual steps, thus not slowing down agile development and applications teams. In our next example, we can see how someone in the operations department can leverage an existing incident ticket within Remedy and generate a Jira issue record from the Remedy ITSM tool. An operations support representative will identify a specific incident and report it as a bug to developers and create a Jira ticket. After going into the details of the incident ticket, they simply change the status field and category entry of the incident to Jira bug, and the integration between systems will automatically generate the new Jira record and work log entries into the Jira ticket. This demonstration shows how both teams can be more efficient in their actions and business processes, eliminating the need for additional work by both operations and developers, allowing both teams to work seamlessly within their respective toolsets. Throughout the lifecycle of the deployment release, the BMC platform remains invisible to the development team, while simultaneously ensuring operations has all the information they need to meet their goals. Bringing us back full circle to our original goal of an improved and efficient business process, a stable environment with reliable performance for employees, customers, and partners. Using Remedy ITSM with native integrations to Jira, Boston Scientific will provide all the necessary information operations teams need to maintain a secure and available environment across a vast portfolio of your company's applications, while not slowing down the innovation coming from the development teams and broader creator community. Integration with Jira and Remedy ITSM is just one example of how Boston Scientific can accelerate your DevOps transformation. Customers, including many on the Fortune 500 list, are also using Remedy ITSM to enable developers to consistently create and test code across environments to deliver faster, more reliable applications, ensuring business process continuity for applications in your active environment. Taking a jobs as a code approach to accelerate application build, test, and validation times, and accelerating the time to value within your digital transformation.